All right, guys. Today I'm going to talk about a stock that I think is pretty bullish. You know, they're main competitors to Intel, and they're the tech giant behind the Radeon and Ryzen CPUs, which a lot of gamers out there definitely probably use. They're better than Intel in terms of their specs, and this company I don't think has been having enough love. Everyone knows graphics cards are all the rage right now, data centers, etc. AMD, they recently had their earnings here, and while they actually beat expectations, the data center that they're starting to get into, their data center business, it just didn't grow quite enough for Wall Street's expectations. So we actually saw it sell off its initial bump from earnings. Lots of volume here though, which is good. But yeah, it sold off its initial bump from earnings and has started to sort of fall down again. I definitely think it's in the buy zone. You can see here on the RSI, it's around 41. Um, you see this stock. Let's look at the 1 hour so we can zoom out, right? So we see this beginning of 2024 was trading at 137. Beginning of 2025 it's 118. So we're actually getting a discount for this, and it's been such a bullish market lately. I mean, you want to look for these like discounted big name safe to trade stocks in my opinion. Um I think the sentiment has just been really negative on this, but let's go ahead and compare it real quick to the darling here. So yeah, you can see here around March, Nvidia really just took the hell off. Got to 180% bigger. AMD has been slowly bleeding since then, right? Um, and again, Nvidia's graphics cards, and then AMD is going to be CPUs. But again, they're going to be still working in the data center industry. AMD can potentially make graphics cards, and yeah, there's a pretty big upcoming contract. We're gonna see if they're gonna get into consoles pretty heavy here. So they've created Xbox processors in the past, so we'll see if they're gonna do Xbox, Microsoft, Xbox 5, I think it is, and then the PS5 as well. Oh wow, they're on 6 already, so it looks like it's gonna be the Xbox 6 coming up. I just also want to go over the balance sheet real quick, guys. We could see their total revenue in the last couple quarters has actually been increasing pretty quick. This last quarter, it actually went up 24%, right? So they're making a lot more revenue. They're coming in. We had like $500 million worth of gross profit year over year for this quarter. So I personally think fundamentally that's super bullish. They're definitely doing all the right things. They're growing correctly. We can look here at the balance sheet. We can see their book value per share 35.49. So they're trading at 107. So we can see like they are expected to grow quite a bit. They might not be growing exactly up to what they're trading at, but I think it's a um, pretty good deal still. If we look at Nvidia here, just real fast, we can see here that their book value to share is 269 for $129 stock, guys. So like in terms of growing, AMD does not have to grow that fast compared to something like Nvidia having to grow. Again, though, we can see here. Like, I'm not trying to shit on Nvidia. I love Nvidia. Nvidia is a great stock. It's going to continue to go higher, and they're making insane amounts of money. They just made $96 billion. Anyway, I digress. This is a video on AMD. All right. If you guys want me to do an Nvidia video, comment down below. Um, I'll definitely get into that. Ultimately, though, I think we have a lot of exciting stuff left over for AMD to do. We're gonna see them continue to push boundaries here. I think it's definitely a really good buy and hold. As long as their earnings keep growing, I don't think you can go wrong with this one, guys. I just think it's sort of upset a lot of people going in short term. Um, and the long term people will be very rewarded in the next couple of years, or even the next year, or even the next couple of months. You know, if I had a crystal ball, I'd give you guys the exact time frame. But I would sell some puts on this. Maybe start a position. Maybe sell puts. I mean, the nice thing about this is it's at the low, right? So you can even do like 105 or 100 puts and be pretty aggressive. And I don't think you can go wrong starting to build a little position here. Anyway, guys, let me know what you think in the comments down below. Shoot a like. Let me know if there's any other stocks you'd like covered. And happy trading out there. Good luck, guys.